Right there.
The 52. Good. That's terrifying. And we apologize to our fans watching on Racing America. I mean, we were in awe. What do you say? There's obvious damage to the fence over there.
He went over a half a time, roof facing down and into the wall.
Right there.
This is my 16th snowball derby.
And then he comes down on him. Yeah, because
I've never seen a vehicle go into the fence.
I think I would be